Bonjour!
And hello!
Welcome to the new edition of Roche at Home. We are today in our home at Domaine Roche, and we want to present you a really easy recipe with just 3 ingredients that you can easily make at home and that is going really well with wine.
Specifically our wines, but any wine is always good.
Anyways, and we are pairing this recipe with these 2 wines, and you will understand why. Then let's get ready. Then we need mushroom, the regular mushroom that you can find anywhere in any supermarket.
Little button mushrooms.
Exactly. Some really famous
Boursin. Cheese.
Boursin, which is really famous in France. You can find that anywhere in France and anywhere here as well, which is really convenient because we are in Canada. Then Boursin, which is the garlic and thin herb. Don't get the shallots or
Garlic and fine herb.
It's just the garlic and fine herbs. And the chorizo, which is the Spanish chorizo. It's the one that, it's easily found as well. Then it's a kind of a sausage that's dried. And that's it. And you need an oven, a knife,
and a pan.
And a little bit of
and
Savoir Faire.
Alright, let's get doing it.
Let's get ready. Then Eliana will clean the mushroom and she will remove the tails that you can actually use for any stuffing. What I usually do is I cut the tails. Do you call that the tails?
The end.
The end? The end?
Stem.
You can easily chop them and put them in like a stuffing for peppers.
Or for soups, that's for your mommy.
For soup, that's your mommy. And yeah, like for many things. I don't know if you knew, but Eliana has a background of chef. And I mean, we love really cooking and eating, and
because everyone does it.
Exactly. And we bring a little bit of Savoir Faire from chef background from France for all the generations.
Was that 6 that I heard?
6 generation, yes. Then we'll try to be really fast because, like in all the cooking show, we already made a batch, as you can imagine. Then you have your mushrooms that are cleaned and empty with the ends. Then you have basically like a hole, which is the perfect space to stuff things in it.
It's like a little flavor pocket.
Exactly. Then you have your boursin. You just need a spoon. Small is good. It's just more convenient. If you wait just a little bit that your boursin is soft, then you should put it out of your fridge a bit before. Then just like that, and you press gently with your spoon, and as you can see, it's just beautiful already here. Then we'll do about
3.
Yeah, exactly. Just like that. And easy. Très simple. C'est très simple, les champignons. Yes, the name of this recipe, by the way.
Yes, please do tell us. What is the name of this delicious recipe?
This recipe is called Champignons farcis au boursin et au chorizo, which is
mushrooms stuffed with boursin and chorizo.
Exactly. It's as simple as that. Then it's really not complicated. Then you see, no more boursin. Then everything is done. Then
we'll cut up some chorizo.
Exactly. And now chorizo. And what I usually do is like I just cut it in half, and after I recut it in half, then it's about 4 pieces like that. And then after you just like chop them, not too big. I will show you quickly. About like these pieces, about like that. And then you put it here.
Right in the center.
Exactly. just right in the center like that.
And what temperature do we cook them at?
Then we cook it at about 360 for 10 to 15 minutes.
Which is very easy. It's enough time for your wine to come up to the right temperature. We'd actually recommend a couple of pairings like, oh, I don't know, our Tradition Chardonnay.
Oh, it happens to be here.
What?
Already, and
How did
actually
it
open. You see that? And it's a white option. If you want a red option, we recommend the Pinot Noir Texture, which is here and all ready to be opened to. Then this is the mushroom all ready to go in the oven. Then yeah, 360 for like 10 to 15 minutes, of course in a hot oven. And already these ones are pretty big mushroom. You can do that with smaller. Maybe check your oven. If your mushroom are smaller, they might cook for less time. Then you just
Keep
go
an eye on
ahead.
it. Always key. What? Look at that. They're already made on a, ooh, is that a Châtelet Aubrion board?
It's a Châtelet Aubrion
Excellent.
board here. Then I would say a little bit of
Chardonnay.
pour notre plaisir and a little bit of Chardonnay pour madame.
And don't do that at home because I just actually performed alcohol abuse.
Then if you have any questions, please let us know and share that with your friends. And cheers!